have another really easy dinner idea for you. We are going to do hamburgers with tater tots and a side of peas tonight. To start with, I get my seasonings. I like to do onion powder, garlic powder, some Cajun, and some parsley. And as you notice, I have one bottle. I actually mix all of those seasonings together, so that way it just makes it easier to put it all in at once. It's very convenient. It's a nice little trick, and it's been, yeah, really easy. So yeah, get the hamburgers going. And normally I would grill, but it's just way too hot out there right now. So just doing them on the stovetop and getting the water ready for the peas and getting the tots going. And then I'll prepare everything that we want for our hamburgers and set that off to the side and then finish up everything else. So I'm doing the voiceover in this video because it was just way too noisy in the background. The kiddos were playing and being loud, so I just didn't want to do that to you. So the voiceover was the easiest way to do this. Alright, the hamburgers are finishing up, so I always like to add the cheese to them when they're done. I'll put it off to the side, let the cheese melt, and then I can get to everything else that needs to be finished. And then just showing you a little bit of what we're going to be using for our toppings for our hamburgers. And for the tater tots, this is one of my favorite ways of making them. I always separate a few out because some of us like just the plain ones, but I like to add cheese on top. Sometimes I'll do a little garlic salt as well. And then I personally like to throw on some mustard with these, and actually I don't even like tater tots, so when I do these, this is the way that I'll eat them. But yeah, here we go, plating it. I like tomatoes, doing some pickles, and like I said, that chipotle sauce, the chipotle aioli, is really good with this. Alright, make sure we get the tater tots and the peas on our plate. Like I said, I like that mustard with it. But yeah, nice and simple, easy meal. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next easy dinner.